love eating fudge, but you don't want the guilt? Well, it is possible to make a really healthy version without anyone knowing the difference. And joining us today is Chef to the Stars, Kate McAloon, who'll be showing us how to make coconut chocolate fudge bites.
Yeah! Excited. Very excited.
Welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Let's get straight into it. What do we need?
Well, I've got the peanut butter in here already and the coconut oil.
Ooh.
And then we're going to start adding.
Yes.
Do
So
we
what is this one?
That is coconut.
Yes, coconut. Okay.
Actually, that's almond meal.
Oops.
So just start to add them in. It's okay.
Okay.
Nope, just
Oh,
add them on
just
in.
dunk it in.
It's a
Wow,
short
okay.
TV segment.
It sure is. This one is...
Yeah, that is the almond meal.
That's the almond meal. Dunk.
That's fine.
Now, I've been told not to dunk this because it could be messy.
Yes, it just kind of...
Just dust.
This is the cacao powder, is that right?
Yes, it's raw cacao powder, which is great.
Delicious.
And you
There we
need
go.
sweetener, so we have maple syrup.
Bit of
Maple
this
syrup.
whole
You can
thing.
use honey or other sweeteners, but yeah, the whole thing.
Okay.
It's to taste. I like it sweet. So.
There we go. Oh.
Now, you've cooked for some super impressive people over the years, including Steven Spielberg, Gwyneth Paltrow, Miranda Kerr.
Yes, I
And you've got a
have.
great story about Gwyneth as well.
I do. When I first started working for her,
Yeah.
yes, please. And we need a little bit of that in there too.
Oh, what's his?
What was
that
this one?
That's vanilla, and this is just a pinch of salt to bring up the flavor.
Lovely.
So when I first started cooking for Gwyneth, her assistant had given me a whole list. I did when she was working for Iron Man, and it was a lot of don'ts.
Sorry,
Come on, whip it up, whip it up. It was a lot of don'ts. So about 2 weeks in, I cooked a couple times a week. My food started getting better because I found out they ate more things, and they said, "Your food's much better now." And it's, well, you eat more things than I thought you ate.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
so I can make more flavor in your food. So then that's
And she has a banging body as well.
She does. She works out.
Yeah, she does. Now, September is Australian Organic Awareness Month.
It is.
So what does the term organic actually mean? Because it seems to be a word that many people like to hijack.
It doesn't mean anything unless it's certified, just like the word natural. Okay. So in Australia, you need the word certified organic behind it, which means it is cleaner, and it has, from farm to table, it has been no chemicals and no GMOs.
This is pretty sticky, isn't
It
it?
is
It's
sticky.
pretty unique.
It is.
So, just because a product says it's organic, that doesn't actually mean that it is?
Yeah, they have it in the title, but
Yeah.
it doesn't mean it. So you need to look for like the Bud logo, which is
yes.
on all the products, and we've just put it up on screen.
Okay. Now, what do we do? This is all mixed?
That's done. So here's the magic of TV.
Okay.
Well, we've already got them done, but what we're going to do is dust them a little. So I've got one that isn't. This is maca green powder. This is the blue algae, which we're going to have a smoothie shot.
Ooh, it's a shot.
So hang on, so what's in this?
There you go.
It's Blue Magic. It is the only certified algae or algae.
Cheers.
Yes,
Cheers.
This.
And some dairy. It's delicious.
That is delicious.
So it's really high in protein.
Algae never
It's great
tasted
for
so
vegan.
good.
I know. Maple syrup.
It's really nice. So what's the best way then to roll the coconut
By hand,
balls?
but I would make it, it's really hot on set, so,
Yeah.
but you can do it by hand.
Okay.
And do the balls, or you can put it in little, like lined with baking paper, and you can put it in a square tin.
Any
and
shape you
cut it,
like.
And put it in the fridge, they harden up.
Yep.
How fantastic.
And so now I'm going to let you guys dust it a little, so good luck.
All right, we'll dust it here. And so on top, this red powder, which
The
one's
red
that?
powder is beet powder for, I'll do it.
Beet
There we go,
powder.
that way it won't get on you. So you can dust it, or you can just roll them in
So the
it.
beet powder, does that actually give it a
That
beetroot
actually tastes
flavour,
really
or-
great. Matcha's, you know, the green tea powder.
Okay.
Is this beetroot?
Yeah,
It
that's
used to be
beetroot powder. It is, and it's certified organic. And then I've got turmeric too for color. So it's just
okay.
fun. And that's coconut. You can do just about any topping on them.
So these are high protein.
They're high protein. This
Low in
is peanut
sugar?
butter today, but you can use any butter like almond butter spread or. Do you know what
Lovely.
that is? Yeah. So any nut butter.
All right, now
Or seed butter.
Jess is obsessed with chocolate. She's
Yes,
obsessed.
please, come
Now,
and have-
if
I'm so
Jess-
glad you guys are
Jess
coming.
is going to,
try this
if Jess
one.
is going to tell the difference, anyone's going to tell the difference between a healthy and a not so healthy, it'll be Jess.
How was that?
It's lovely.
Thank you.
No, it's lovely. It's really lovely.
And it matched your lippy. You picked the right color.
Oh, wow.
No, that's nice.
Oh, those balls are good.
Thank you. I'm glad he said it because I was trying really hard not to say that.
For example, with a lot of kids, they can't bring nuts to school.
Seed
What's the
butters,
good?
just
okay.
seed. There's pumpkin seed spreads that, and also sunflower, so you could do that.
So you could have, okay.
That was
delicious.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Can I
Very
have, I
sticky.
have another
I really
one?
should have read this part before having a taste. Do you get more of Kate's delicious and healthy recipes? Her brand new cookbook, The Flavour of Joy, is out now. Kate, thanks for joining us.
Yay.